Namaste students, this is Karthik Srinivasan, your accountancy and commerce teacher. Today we are going to discuss about trial balance. Trial balance is a statement containing the debit and credit balances of all ledger accounts on a particular date. It is arranged in the form of debit and credit columns placed side by side and prepared with the object of checking the arithmetical accuracy of entries made in the books of accounts and to facilitate preparation of financial statements. Need for preparing trial balance. 1. To test the arithmetical accuracy. 2. It helps in preparing financial statements. 3. It helps in locating errors. 4. It helps in making comparison and making adjustments. Definition of trial balance. According to J.R. Butleeboy, a trial balance is a statement prepared with the debit and credit balances of the ledger accounts to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books. Features of trial balance. Following are the features of trial balance. 1. Trial balance contains the balances of all ledger accounts. 2. It is prepared on a specific date. That is why the word as on is used at the top. 3. When double entry system is followed, the totals of the debit and the credit columns of the trial balance must be equal. Thus, trial balance helps to check the arithmetical accuracy of entries made in the books of accounts. 4. If there is a difference between the totals of debit column and credit column of the trial balance, it is an indication of errors being committed somewhere. 5. If both the debit column and the credit column of the trial balance have the same total, it does not mean that there is no mistake in accounting, since some errors are not disclosed by the trial balance. Objectives of preparing trial balance. 1. To test the arithmetical accuracy. 2. It is the basis for preparing final accounts. 3. It helps in locating the errors. 4. It gives us the summarized information of ledger accounts. Limitations of trial balance. The following are the limitations of trial balance. 1. It is possible to prepare trial balance of an organization only if the double entry system is followed. 2. Even if some transactions are omitted, the trial balance will tally. 3. Trial balance may tally even though errors are committed in the books of account. 4. If trial balance is not prepared in a systematic way, the final accounts prepared on the basis of trial balance may not depict the actual state of affairs of the concern. 5. Agreement of trial balance is not a conclusive proof of arithmetical accuracy of entries made in the accounting records. This is because there are certain errors which are not disclosed by trial balance, such as complete omission of a transaction, compensating errors, and error of principle. Methods of preparing trial balance. A trial balance can be prepared in the following methods. 1. Balance method. In this method, the balance of every ledger account, either debit or credit, as the case may be, is recorded in the trial balance against the respective accounts. The balance method is widely used, as it helps in the preparation of financial statements. 2. Total method. Under this method, the total amounts on the debit side of the ledger accounts and the total amounts on the credit side of the ledger accounts are ascertained and recorded in the trial balance. This method is not commonly used as it cannot help in the preparation of financial statements. 3. Total and balance method. This method is a combination of both total method and balance method. Under this method, 4 columns are provided, namely, 1. Totals of debit side of the ledger accounts. 2. Totals of the credit side of the ledger accounts. 3. Debit balances of ledger accounts, and 4. Credit balances of the ledger accounts. This method is not in practice.